let's see where Andy is located. Look at this model.
Hey,
Yes.
come on in, you will love it.
I'm excited.
Patrice, look at these ceilings. They're like 25 feet.
Oh my goodness. They are so tall.
Yeah, and what I love is you've got all this dining area right here, all in one central location that flows right into this huge kitchen with an awesome island. What do you think of this?
I think this island is fantastic. This kitchen is fantastic.
What I love about it, one, 4 butts, right? No sink.
No sink. Lots of space for that baking.
Now, this thing has got 6 burners. Obviously, you can
Love the
put
griddle.
your pancakes, you can do the whole 9 yards right there. It's got the drawers that you like underneath.
Yes.
All the cabinets are really, really good quality.
Beautiful color too.
And I love how it goes all the way to the top. And then always those accents with the puck lighting.
Yes.
Now, it's got this apron sink with the window above it, which is always a nice feature.
Yes.
And then the snack closet is just your generic kind of size.
It is. I guess I have to cut down on the food, maybe.
Cut down on the food a little bit.
Not a bad thing.
Now, one of the unique things about this floor plan is that the primary is actually right off the front of the house and right off the kitchen. So let's go
That
take
is
a look.
interesting. And you've got the laundry room right here.
Yeah, I always skip past that.
Because your laundry just magically
Yeah,
gets
my
done.
man, I don't know why you need a laundry room. It literally just
magically
ends up in your
appears
closet.
in your closet.
Of course I'm doing laundry.
Up here, what I love how they did this, they did it with the white beams with the shiplap, and it's painted that nice rich
That
blue.
is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous.
You've got obviously big tall windows letting in all that natural light.
Yeah, I probably removed the curtains though just to get more light in here myself.
Absolutely, especially if you're selling your house, that's a good tip.
Good tip.
Now, you got a king size bed, and look at this, this is plenty of size. What do you say, this is probably 4 feet on each
That's
side?
huge on both sides, yeah,
So,
definitely.
yeah, you can
Gosh.
get a lot done in here. Now, as you come into the ensuite, I don't know, right? Average shower.
Yeah, I mean, it's beautiful in here. Really
This is suited for people that are maybe young families or maybe those empty nesters, right? That don't want all that huge space. This is a 40-foot lot. But anyway, you've got your dual sinks.
Not
Not a lot of counter space. No,
Yeah.
Not a lot. You know what that is?
That window in there's cool though. That's a pretty window. They have it covered up, obviously, but it's
Yeah,
nice.
can you imagine?
Look at that.
Hey, everybody.
Well, if you're just sitting in here getting ready, maybe it's a good thing. But
Yeah. Then you've got your soaking tub.
your soaking tub, yep.
And then you've got a closet. I've seen secondary bedrooms with bigger,
bigger
closets.
closets,
and
yeah,
nice.
that is kinda
But again, if you're an empty nester, you know, all you need are your golf shirts, and you know, you're not hanging a bunch of suits and all that sort of thing.
Well, on our way up to the upstairs, let's go check out the family room because we really haven't checked that out much.
Absolutely.
Got the dining, nice little seat over there I see with the window. Sorry, I digress.
No. you do you. Now, here's your family area. It's not overly big, but you wouldn't expect it on a 40-foot lot. This is kind of where you, I don't know, this is kind of your everyday living.
You're using the media room upstairs as your
Yeah, because
everyday?
this, I was going to say, Patrice, you've already.
I know. I know you.
There's a media room upstairs, which is really cool. Here's a secondary bedroom downstairs, really above average size, I would say. It has, I mean, it's
A closet?
not too bad compared to the primary, to be honest with you.
Yeah, and
almost
then
the
it's
same
got a
size.
bathroom right here that is for this room and also guests. And we didn't put the toilet seat down, which we hate filming.
Ooh,
when
I
we do
love
that.
the tile.
But the tile, you
That
want me
small
to? Let's take a look
subway
here.
tile.
Let's take a look at this tile. It's got these.
I love that gray blue that
Yeah,
they're using
It's
in
really
this model.
pretty in here. Yeah.
This is a rear entry product. So your garage is going to be on the other side of the stairway, but this is kind of gives you an idea. So that would be your garage.
Garage, yeah.
But if you step outside, here's the patio. Patio is probably a good 8x8 covered space. And then right here, you know, what a lot of people are doing with these 40-foot lots is they are putting this artificial turf in, and you can make it a real good, just all around, like our backyard's not very big, right?
Right.
And it's pretty much all patio. So you could do the same out here because you know what? You've got all the amenities and parks and everything for the kiddos that you could possibly want all throughout the community. So use that space.
But it'll fit your barbecue out here and
Oh yeah,
your,
no,
and
it'll
your hot
fit all
tub.
that. Oh, absolutely. No, you can have a really banging outdoor space here.
can.
You just can't, you know, putting in pools or anything like that.
Yeah.
So let's head on up.
Let's do it.
Now here you are. As you come on up, this is that gaming area, kids area, however you want to frame that. Pretty good size.
Yeah.
What would you say? Say like 15 feet.
Yeah, that's plenty of size.
Yeah. And then as you come on down here,
Wait, can I just point something out real quick as I come down here? Look at what they've done. They've put that shiplap up there and put that pretty blue. It's really a nice touch, I think.
they have it all throughout.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
It's very nice.
So, 2 bedrooms. Come on
Okay.
through this one. Just your normal kind of kids room, right? I'd say 12 by 12, so decent size, above average, I'd say.
I love the little Toy Story theme. How cute is that?
Very good. Very good closet. And then over here you have a bathroom that they share.
Okay. Good sized bathroom.
Each
have
kiddo
their own
gets its own sink.
so they don't have to argue.
Yeah.
Although they
You can
still
tell which one's
will.
going to be the cleaner one. Right, and then again, about the same size. This is on the front of the home.
The angles to the ceiling or the walls to the ceiling are pretty neat.
Yeah.
I like the way they did that, but they really emphasized it with those stripes.
Yeah, they did.
Pretty cool.
Look at this. Oh no, it's not. I thought I thought it was like a shelf over that, but it's not. It's just the door.
It's just your eyes.
Just my poor eyesight. So let's go check out my favorite part of this home, and that is the media room.
Oh yes, 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 yes.
So here's the media room. Now this is a pretty good size. I mean, actually perfect size in my opinion. You've got this big oversized couch. I mean, it's just a really good space. I'd say it's a good 20 feet by 12. So really
Yes.
good size. Now, here's the thing with Highland in the 40s. This is the Worthington plan. It's about 2650 square feet or so, give or take. We've got several different plans ranging anywhere from 1,400 square feet all the way up to like 3,200 square feet.